Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tape applicators that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Tape Applicators. At Straub Design, we understand the right products can improve production and efficiency. Our engineers and inventors love building automated tape application systems and finding the right solution for your business. We and you know exactly what a critical function engineered tape solutions perform in many industries, from automotive and packaging to solar. Number 5. Hanken Manual Round Bottle Labeling Machine Applicator. This machine is mainly applicable to all kinds of round bottle stickers, can be affixed with transparent labels and opaque labels. Irregularly shaped bottles and bottles. Main features: wide applications. User-friendly. Easy installation. Number 4. Hanken Label Portable Barcode Applicator. Made of high-toughness composite PP material, comfortable grip purple limit baffle adopts quick-release design. This label applicator could be for both flat surface labeling. Main features: professional design. Wide applications. 1-year warranty. Number 3. EPMAC Manual Bottle Label Applicator. Semi-automatic operation. Adjust the distance between two rolls, and put on your bottle. Rotate the handle to work. Rapidly raise the production efficiency, and the label quality. Main features: service guarantee. Wide applications. Adjustable labeling size. Number 2. JVCC LPDOO Tabletop Label Protection Tape. Constructed with durable plastic materials. The weight of the tape roll helps to hold the roller in place while in operation. Main features: maximum roll width of either 4 inches. Easy removal and adhesion process. Sturdy tabletop design. Number 1. Cork 4-inch Rubber Roller Tape Roller for Print Tape. Made of high-quality plastic and metal, it is durable and stable. Just use with soap and water. The roller can be easy to wash the dirty on the surface due to its flexible rubber. Main features: easy to clean. High quality. Wide usage. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.